Yo. Wow. I guess today I'm a sailor. Ahoy. No, I look like Smitty from Peter Pan. Okay, anyways. For lunch today, I want to make vegan barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. And with that, I'm going to be using jackfruit. Jackfruit is a fruit originating from southern India and Malaysia. We're going to be using jackfruit because it actually has a meaty texture. When you eat it, we're actually going to pull it apart to make it resemble pulled pork and cook it down a little bit with a barbecue sauce. You could use your favorite barbecue sauce. And then put it on some whole wheat hamburger buns. And I'm gonna make a really, really quick, simple coleslaw. So let's get it. So first, I drained all the liquid from the green jackfruit. Now I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel and then shred it with 2 forks. So this is what it looks like all shredded up. It's crazy, it actually looks like shredded chicken. And now in a pan on medium heat, we're gonna put a little olive oil and saute the shredded jackfruit for a few minutes. So after about 5 minutes of sauteing that, we're gonna put enough barbecue sauce to cover everything. Then cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So while that's cooking, we're gonna start on our coleslaw. Have red cabbage and shredded carrots. Like I said before, it's a really, really, really simple coleslaw. The coleslaw also has shredded green cabbage and it's with mayo and vinegar and all this stuff. I don't feel like doing that. So I just have this cucumber kefir dressing. It's creamy, but it's not too heavy like ranch. It also has a really refreshing taste from the cucumber. And it's also a kefir dressing. Kefir is very similar to yogurt, has probiotics in it, really good for your gut health. And like, not everything has to be homemade. You've made it through the day. That's an accomplishment in itself. So cut yourself some snack. Cut yourself some snack. Cut yourself some slack and have a snack. I don't know. I'm also going to toast my buns, whole wheat buns. And now we just Avengers assemble. This is what the jackfruit will look like, all cooked down with the barbecue sauce. Oh, I'm an idiot. I put it on the top bun. I need to redo this. I always do that. I do that all the time when I make burgers. I don't pay attention to which one's the bottom, which one's the top. I just get excited. My stomach is growling. With the side of sweet potato chips. She's a really cute lunch. Wow. You can't tell that it's jackfruit. It's really yum. Very tangy. Successful lunch.